Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to make money without using your voice. Yes, that's right. You can earn a passive income without having to talk to anyone. With the rise of the internet and digital marketing, there are now countless opportunities to earn an income online. And I want to show you how to take advantage of this and start making money right away. Step 1. Identify your skills and interests. The first step in this process is to figure out what skills and interests you have. What do you enjoy doing? What do you excel at? This is important because you want to find a way to make money doing something you love. Step 2. Research online business opportunities. Once you have a list of your skills and interests, it's time to start researching online business opportunities. There are many different ways to make money online, so it's important to find one that aligns with your skills and interests. Some popular options include affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and dropshipping. Step 3. Choose a niche. Next, you want to choose a niche that you can focus on. This could be a specific product or a specific market. You want to make sure that the niche you choose is profitable and has a lot of potential customers. Step 4. Build a website. Once you have your niche, it's time to build a website. This is your online presence and will be the hub of your online business. You can use platforms like WordPress or Wix to create a website easily and affordably. Step 5. Drive traffic to your website. The next step is to drive traffic to your website. You want people to find your website and start buying your products or clicking on your affiliate links. There are many ways to drive traffic, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising. Step 6. Monetize your website. Finally, it's time to monetize your website. This is where you start making money. You can do this by selling products, earning commissions from affiliate marketing, or using ad networks like Google AdSense. And that's it. That's the ultra-detailed guide on how to make money without using your voice. I hope this was helpful and that you learned something new. So, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, be sure to visit the Profits Digital website for even more tips and tricks on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.